Macy.
And I'm Cooper.
And you're watching the CMS Broadcast.
Today is Thursday, March 13th.
On Monday, there will be French toast sticks for breakfast and chicken tenders with a whole grain biscuit for lunch.
Today is National Earmuff Day and National Chip and Dip Day today.
Tomorrow is the premiere of the CHS drama performance, Take 3. They will perform in the multi-purpose room at the high school. There is a $5 entrance fee per person, and there will be pie for sale in honor of Pie Day, so be sure to check it out.
There's honor band field trip on this Monday, March 17th.
The end of the third quarter will be Thursday, April 3rd.
The 8th graders have a field trip to Bullwinkle's on the last Monday of the school year. In order to attend, 8th graders can have no more than 3 minor infractions and no more infractions starting May 12th until the end of the day of the field trip. Students must be passing 5 out of 7 classes, which means you cannot earn a failing grade in more than 2 classes. The final grade check will be June 9th.
There's also a field trip to Kingpins on March 20th for the students who made honor roll the first semester. Be sure to turn in your permission slip to Mr. Salzman. These permission slips are due back no later than March 16th.
School-wide tardy challenges still going on. Students can have no more than 2 tardy in a class if they want to participate in the celebration at the end of the day on March 20th.
If you are in need of clothes or hygienic products for a variety of reasons, please see Miss Jenna about visiting the clothes closet located in the 7th and 8th grade pod. There's a collection of clothes of all sizes available for students in need. These clothes can be borrowed or kept.
The eagles nesting at Big Bear Lake welcomed a new addition to their family, Jackie and Shadow's 3rd egg hatched last week.
Spring break starts March 21st, which means there was 8 days until spring break and only 81 days until summer break.
The OBOB team will be competing in regionals this Sunday. Good luck to Alyssa, Natalia, Graceland, and Bronwyn.
Parent-teacher conferences are April 10th and 11th, so we will have no school April 10th.
Softball, basketball, and track and field sign-ups are in the office. Practices for these sports will begin very soon. Stay tuned for the exact start dates.
Please be sure to have your phone off and put away during the school day.
Chromebooks are not allowed to be taken in the commons. This expectation also applies to the chess club.
Saturday is March 15th, which is the Ides of March. On this day in history, Julius Caesar was assassinated by Roman senators in 44 BCE.
Tomorrow is Pi Day. This means because the dates are 3-14, and those are the first 3 digits of pi.
Did you hear about the new restaurant they opened up in the moon?
No, I didn't.
I hear it has great food, but no atmosphere.
Well, I think that's all for the CMS broadcast.
Bye! The ideas of the It's not the actual thing we're supposed
Where's
to
the
say.
thing then?
Where's the C and M in front of the line?
Okay, there we go.
Okay, so
The 8th graders.
Good research.
I wanted to go. There are only 8